Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I did a little browsing around Target this evening, and so I thought I would quickly show you everything that I found. I found these awesome water bottles by French Bowl. They were originally $19.99 on clearance for $3.04 each. It reads that they hold cold liquid up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. We don't really need water bottles at the moment. We might use these in a few months or so from now, but I might just put them aside to use as like a future present for a friend or relative. But I really like the awesome design and the bright colors. I grabbed myself 2 packs of socks. They both have like a floral pattern on the front. These are orange and like a navy blue, some gray and white. There's some pink, nice speckled pattern. I grabbed some pink grapefruit all-purpose cleaner this time. Everything else is basically in preparation for Valentine's Day. So I bought my kids some snacks for Valentine's Day. These are Annie's fruit wands. Looks like they have some chocolate on the inside and they're strawberry flavored. We've never had these before, but I'm pretty sure the children will love them. They were originally $3.99 on clearance for $1.98. These were regularly priced strawberry fruit snacks. I thought this felt folder was really adorable. I'm not sure exactly how we will use this, but I'll definitely incorporate this into homeschool for Valentine's Day. There's a nice little stitched pattern on the heart, and then you can close the back. There's a nice little button and a string there. I bought some gel clings to use on the windows with your regular Valentine's Day sayings. Love bug, be mine. Me plus you, hugs, XOXO. LOL. Very cute. My daughter is going to especially love those. Some felt heart shapes. Some new glitter glue for the kids. I'm going to have them paint these on Valentine's Day. A little rocket, your blast for my son. And a sweet ice cream sundae for my daughter. And then I also bought them each a little mailbox. You can use chalk on the red heart. These were $1, those were $1, and this was also $1, and the felt envelope. Basically, all of these things were also $1. Some love stir sticks. A magnetic list pad. I'll be putting that right on the side of my fridge. Some wooden Valentine's Day themed clips. And some washi tape. I will of course use that in my planner. And then this was technically in the Valentine's Day section, though I think it would be nice for all year round. My daughter has a nice white jewelry box, and I thought this would be nice. Sitting alongside of that, she can put some little treasures and trinkets in there. I love this bowl. I will use this for the whole month of February to put the kids' snacks in during the day. Thought it was really pretty. And then last but not least, this wooden heart. The bowl and the heart were each $3 a piece. Very cute. But that is everything for tonight. Let me know if you've gone to your Target to scope out their Valentine's Day section. Let me know if you found anything interesting. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you again soon.